All right, we're going to do the theme for Magic Flute, the cello part. And I want to just point out a couple of places where the rhythms might be a little bit new to you. So for instance, after letter C near the bottom of the page, there's some dotted eighths and 16th notes, as well as some slurring and some hooking that you need to do. So let's go to letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last measure of that line, which is the sixth measure after letter C. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. So on 3, we go to first finger. 1, 2, 3, and then we switch to the D string. Okay, and then a couple measures later, we have more dotted 8/16. So the F sharp. Okay, all right, let's look at the beginning. Here we go. This will be slow, so you can practice along with it, but so expect it to go a little bit faster. It is in cut time, so we will eventually, you'll be thinking about it in 2, not in 4. But for now, for practicing, let's think about it in 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.